I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash. Always look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the facts. Got nothing to lose, so I put the pen to bed. That's what I do, hard work always lasts. And the pain's not an act, no, it hurts real bad. But you have to attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another unboxing video here today. Nobody panic, just take it easy. This is going to be just a regular unboxing. Nothing insane. Pretty excited for this. Been wanting to get a hold of these for quite some time, one of these. And I have enough parts in the shop to get it going pretty quick here. Any guesses? Don't need any of that. Oh yeah, there it is. So this is an original Traxxas Stampede. And he wrote, the guy who sold it had a really good listing wrote out for it there. It says Traxxas Stampede. This is the original 3906 model with a battery, full bearing set, upgraded idler gear, planetary gear to metal, has a new 20-turn axial motor. Upgraded Duratrax Autosport speed control, going to switch that out because the Duratrax Autosport does not have reverse. Dean's plugs, going to switch that out. I go XT60s all the time. 27 megahertz receiver, stock servo, wheels painted yellow, tires not glued. Required to run battery hold down, transmitter charger, and body. Alright, I'm back. Got interrupted by a call from work there. It's not work time, it's RC time. Anyway, so it came with a Piranha 1900 battery. I'm going to keep this even if it doesn't work just for the retro value of this. My friend and I used to run these way back in the day, like early 2000s. I'll be really surprised if this thing still works, but I'll charge it up and give it a try. I have the matching charger all ready to go with it. This thing, man, the chassis is in like surprisingly good shape. Looks like it has brand new arms on there almost, just very little bit of scuffing. Yeah, this thing has not been hammered that much. My original one, I wish I still had that, but I sold it. My original one was way more hammered than this. Like the Phillips heads were not even right because they've been ground into the gravel so much. Looks like it has upgraded shocks. I'm not really... They seem maybe a little bit firmer. Oh yeah, they're definitely firmer. Actually, the front ones are a little too firm, I think. So I'll get that dialed in a little bit. But I'm going to run all stock electronics on this, including the 27 megahertz receiver, because I already run that in my Rustler, so all I'll have to do is put the same crystal in here. And yeah, brand new axial 20-turn motor, so we'll see how that goes. The wheels are painted yellow, which I will figure out how to unpaint those at some point because I just like them stock white. That's how I always used to run them back in the day. Got the original receiver servo in there, and looks like it's been really well taken care of. The guy seemed to really be into the hobby because he wrote out, you know, all the specs on it and everything, which I really appreciate that. So maybe I'll get a hold of him and tell him that his Stampede will be on YouTube, and maybe he'll join us in the watching of my weird RC videos. So anyway guys, I'm going to switch out the ESC for a Traxxas XL5 that I'm going to take out of the CC01 and just see how this thing goes. Actually no, I'm going to run this today because we're planning on going to the gravel pit here in a little bit. I'm going to run this just to see what it's like. I've never ran one before. I'm going to switch this out to an XT60 and I'll let you guys know what I come up with for a body and whatnot. So I already have one that should fit, but Give me a minute, I'll get that done and be back with you. Alright guys, so I got the body, and I have my remote from my Bandit, the original TQ transmitter that was what should have been with this truck anyway. Turn that bad boy on. I already have the correct crystal in there, as luck would have it. Plug this old battery in, and we're up and running. Steering, brake, no reverse, and drilled a hole in that body for the antenna. Fits right on this original Stampede, even though it was meant for an XL5. Nothing has really changed as far as body mounting. And then I always hated this, you know, back in the day when you had this tail sticking off here, because every time you take the body off it gets caught. So I'm just going to slide a piece of heat shrink over that. Use a lighter like a total professional. I need to get a heat gun. Sorry if there's a bunch of background noise, you guys. Wash machines running out here in the garage. This heat shrink isn't shrinking very good. It's taking a lot of heat for some reason compared to my other stuff. There we go. Now you don't have that tail every time you take the body off and get caught on there. Yeah, that's awesome. I think that's probably the only time I've bought a used RC that was exactly as advertised and basically just ready to run right out of the box like that with the, you know, the body and transmitter that I already had. So that's pretty exciting. We're gonna get some batteries charged up and take this thing to the pit for a run. I'm gonna try to find the original Pro Graphics body that should have been on this truck, because that's what I had when I was a kid. And this was the truck that got me into hobby grade RC, so I want to keep this as original as possible. But for the meantime, the body for my XL5 works on there pretty good, and it actually looks pretty cool. But I'm going to get the original pretty soon, whenever I can find one on eBay.